Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's topic, South Sudan opposition say no peace talk without release of the detained leader in Juba. The main opposition party in South Sudan, the Sudan People Liberation Movement, in opposition SPLMIO, say they will not join peace talk until their leader and members who are detained are released. Before we proceed with this information, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. According to the information, President Salva Kiir Mayardit called for renewed peace talk on Wednesday. During the opening of the National Parliament, he warned that if peace efforts do not move forward, there is a risk of renewed conflict. Kiir Mayardit asked all political groups to work together for peace and say the door of peace remains open. However, on Thursday, the SPLM-IO spokesperson by the name Pal Maidang said the president called for dialogue is not credible unless detained SPLM-IO political and military leaders are freed. The political situation remains tense, especially after the hours arrest of the first vice president and SPLM-IO leader Dr. Riek Machar. His hours arrest followed an attack on army base in March. Since then, several SPLM-IO officials have left the country fearing arrest. The 2018 peace agreement ended 5 years of civil war that caused many deaths. The agreement led to the formation of the unity government, but its implementation has been slow and difficult. Trust between the parties has decreased in recent months. Speaking from exile, the spokesperson of the SPLM-IO by the name Pal Maidang said the government should stop military action against SPLM in opposition forces and ensure the safety of all citizens, of all civilians before dialogue can continue. The Community Empowerment for Progress organization, a civil society group in Juba, say Machar absence affect the balance of the transitional government. The Community Empowerment for Progress organization, the executive director, Edmund Yakani, say without Machar involvement in daily government work, the transitional government is less balanced. International observers have expressed concern. Last month, the United Nations warned that the peace agreement is at risk. Yasmin Soka, chair of the UN Human Rights Commission for South Sudan, called the situation a crisis and say the agreement is close to losing meaning due to increased violence and challenges. While President Salva Kiir Mayardit continued to call for dialogue, opposition leader and right group said conditions must improve first. They say political detainees should be released and violence reduced to create a better environment for talk. The hope to restart peace negotiations remain fragile while political tension and security issues continue. This is the information that I have for you. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to support the channel by subscribing